Welcome to Web Success, where we help you unlock the potential of smarter financial strategies. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means smart work. You'll need to invest some time, money, or effort up front, but the rewards can be life-changing. Whether you're just starting or looking to diversify your income, stick around because these strategies could transform your financial future. Let's dive in. Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? That's the beauty of passive income. Building streams of revenue that keep flowing without constant effort. In today's video, we'll explore the top passive income ideas you can start today, regardless of your background or experience. From investments to digital products, we'll cover everything you need to know to create lasting financial freedom. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's dive into the world of passive income. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned with little ongoing effort. Unlike your regular job where you trade time for money, passive income streams let you earn consistently after the initial setup. Think of it as planting seeds that grow into a steady flow of cash over time. Examples include investments that pay dividends, rental properties, or digital products. It's about working smarter, not harder, to create long-term financial stability and freedom. First idea, dividend-paying stocks. One of the easiest ways to start earning passive income is through dividend-paying stocks. When you buy shares in companies that distribute dividends, you earn a portion of their profits regularly. This income is completely passive. Once you've invested, your money starts working for you. The key is to choose companies with a strong history of paying dividends, like those in the energy, utility, or consumer goods sectors. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or eToro make it simple to get started. And here's a tip. Reinvest your dividends to take advantage of compounding. Over time, this can significantly grow your wealth. Research companies with a strong track record of consistent dividends. Use platforms like Robinhood, eToro, or Charles Schwab to purchase stocks. Reinvest dividends to compound your wealth over time. Second idea, real estate investments. Real estate has always been a favorite for passive income seekers. If you own property, you can rent it out and earn steady monthly income. Short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb can also generate higher returns, especially in tourist-friendly locations. But what if you don't have enough capital to buy a property? That's where real estate investment trusts, or REITs, come in. These let you invest in real estate without owning physical property, and they pay out regular dividends just like stocks. It's a low-maintenance way to tap into the real estate market and start earning. Rent out property, own a property. List it on platforms like Airbnb for short-term rentals, or lease it out long-term for consistent monthly income. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. These allow you to invest in real estate without directly owning property. It's perfect for beginners and provides regular dividends. Real estate requires some effort to set up, but it's a stable and rewarding investment in the long run. Third idea, create an online course cut to visuals of someone recording videos, teaching, or uploading to an online platform. If you're an expert in something, anything, why not turn your knowledge into a source of passive income? Creating an online course is an incredible way to monetize your skills. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable handle all the heavy lifting for you. You just need to create the course once, and it can generate sales for months or even years. Focus on topics that solve problems or teach high-demand skills like graphic design, coding, or cooking. Choose a topic you're passionate about, like coding, design, or personal finance. Develop high-quality video lessons and supplementary materials. Upload and promote your course. The beauty of online courses is that you create them once and continue to earn as people enroll. It's scalable and incredibly rewarding. Fourth idea, digital products. Another amazing way to earn passive income is by selling digital products. These can include ebooks, design templates, or even printables like planners or calendars. Once you create the product, it can be sold repeatedly without any additional effort. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to reach an audience. For example, if you're a writer, publish a guidebook. If you're a designer, create Canva templates. The possibilities are endless, and the startup costs are minimal. Digital products refer to intangible goods that are delivered electronically, rather than in a physical form. Examples include ebooks, software, online courses, music, and digital art. Enables creators to reach a global audience without the need for physical inventory. Additionally, digital products often provide opportunities for passive income through sales on various platforms. As technology continues to evolve, the market for digital products is likely to expand, creating new opportunities for both creators and consumers. Ebooks, write a guide or novel. Printables, create planners or art pieces. Templates, design tools for platforms like Canva or PowerPoint. Upload your products on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, and they'll continue to sell while you focus on other things. It's a low-cost, high-return option that suits creatives and entrepreneurs alike. Fifth idea, affiliate marketing. If you already have a blog, website, or social media presence, consider affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate to get started. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing products that align with your audience's interests. It's a great way to monetize a platform you already have, or even build one specifically for affiliate marketing. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. Promote products through your website, blog, or YouTube channel. Earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase using your referral link. It's an excellent way to monetize a platform you already have or grow a niche audience over time. Sixth idea, YouTube or content monetization, YouTube channel. Yes, starting a YouTube channel can become a fantastic passive income source. Create valuable or entertaining content that people want to watch, and over time, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The beauty of YouTube is that videos can continue earning for years. The key is consistency and focusing on a niche you're passionate about, like tech reviews, travel, or personal finance. Create valuable video content and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or memberships. Once your videos gain an audience, they can generate income. Long-term content creation involves producing various types of media, such as articles, videos, podcasts, and social media posts, to engage and inform an audience. With the rise of digital platforms, creators can monetize their content through several methods, including advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and subscription models. Successful content creators often build a loyal following by providing valuable, entertaining, or educational content that resonates with their audience. Additionally, leveraging SEO and social media can help increase visibility and reach. Ultimately, the content creation industry offers diverse opportunities for individuals to generate income while sharing their passions and expertise. Why is passive income important? Financial freedom. Passive income reduces reliance on a single income source, giving you more freedom and stability. Time flexibility. It allows you to earn money without actively working, freeing up time for other priorities. Wealth building. Many passive income streams, like investments or property, grow in value over time, increasing your overall wealth. In short, top passive income represents the best opportunities to create financial stability, diversify earnings, and achieve greater freedom in life. There you have it, some of the best passive income ideas to help you earn money while freeing up your time. Remember, all passive income streams require some level of upfront effort or investment, but the rewards can be well worth it. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips and strategies. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.